been thinking about your smile. I've been thinking that I can't.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I have a human hair wig review for you guys. This is a company I haven't tried before. So this company is called IDN, which means I Define Natural. So I'm going to show you guys this beautiful curly wig here that is also super beginner friendly and has everything you need to be an easy glueless install. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then just keep on watching.
That I don't really care about you. Maybe I'm indifferent. Maybe I'm not thinking straight. I know I shouldn't play these games.
Ooh, look at them curls. Okay. Beautiful curls. Take a look at these curls. Let me turn this up for you guys. Hope y'all can see that. These are some ringlet curls. Okay, so here is the hairline on this wig. They did bleach the knots, which I really appreciate, so I don't have to do them myself. Hairline looks tweezed already as well. Here's the inside of the cap. This is a 13x6 wig, and they're calling it their 3D wig as far as like the cap construction goes, which I've never heard about, but they say with the 3D wigs, they use like a advanced technology that combines accurate curved lace placement for a perfect cap made, you know, to fit your head. It gives a full side part, and the caps are more three-dimensional to fit your head better. Never heard of that. So this is like new to me, but I'm already impressed with the pre-tweezed hairline. The knots are already bleached. They're not like big and obvious. And then these curls are stunning out the pack. So yeah, so you have those scalp knots that are clean bleached, as I just said, and the hairline is pre-plucked. Okay, I've never worked with IDN before. They're also called I Define Natural. The first time I heard about this company was when I saw Kyra Shine review them. So so far so good. Very nice. So let's see what she looks like just placed on my head. Oh, here's the rest of the cap construction for you guys because I got carried away and excited. So there is the inside of the cap, 13x6. So we have a lot of versatility of parting space. You have a comb on the right, comb on the left, a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and you also do have like an adjustable elastic band as well. So it's going to make, when companies provide those, it makes it easier to have glueless installs. So that's really nice. And I might try to do a glueless install with this because it makes my life a lot easier to do glueless installs. So okay, so this is what the curls, let me turn this down so y'all can, it's not so bright on me. This is what the curls look like fresh out the pack. So beautiful. Let me read more of the specs for you guys. So first of all, this is going to be on sale, of course, going on with their Black Friday sale that they have going on. So look out for that. November is a good time to shop for more expensive wigs. Definitely human hair wig. This is 20 inches, but curly wigs, a lot of times they don't show all their length because of shrinkage. If you pull it, it'll be 20 inches. And I'm 6 feet tall, that's where it is. If you pull it, it's 180% density, but I feel like you'll get more of your density once you fluff it out. It's a 2-in-1 twisted curly texture. That's what they're calling it. The color is a natural color. The lace type is the real super thin HD lace. So this melts into your skin. That is what they are saying. So what the lace looks like. We have a little bit of gap there, but I can fill that in with some eyeshadow. It's a clean hairline, as I told you guys, and the knots are bleached. So hey guys, so I showed you guys what this looks like fresh out the pack. I have not washed it. I'm gonna wear it as is. Of course you should wash your wig, but these curls, I want to keep them intact and just like separate them. So that is what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna wear this glueless. Seriously, I have tried a lot of curly human hair wigs, but this one is so unique with the texture that it has. Very beautiful. And I do have something new. Y'all know I love the Shea Moisture curl mousse, but I wanted to try something new. This is the Maui Moisture Flexible Hold and Coconut Milk Curl Foam Mousse. So that's what I have. I got it from Amazon. So if I want to like separate the curls and, you know, style it up a little bit, that's what I will do. But yeah, these curls are so pretty. So let me go ahead and cut the lace. So this lace is very thin. Some good lace on this wig. I mean, this looks good already. I just need to, you know, fix that part up because it looks a little bit wide in the front, but no biggie. And I'm cutting in a up and down motion. You will lose some hair sometimes if you cut around the ear, but that's not a big deal. You want it to be more custom fit to your head. And that's all the way, that's all the way glueless right there. That looks good. Okay. And y'all, this is my first time working with this company. The first time I even heard about them was from Kyra Sean. She has a wig very similar, but hers is shorter. So if you want to see what it looks like on somebody else, definitely watch her review. So far, very impressive. Like I told y'all, during this time of year, especially in November, it's like a crazy time for hair influencers as far as like, you know, the amount of sponsorships and stuff we get. So you're gonna have a lot of wig reviews, you know, going on. So not having to glue these down is so convenient. But like outside of, you know, influencers, people that are busy and beginners, like I'm just cutting the lace and this is like looking really, really good. They're making my job easy. Cause I haven't done anything except like tweeze the hairline a little bit more. That's so exciting not to have to do much to it. And then you can kind of rough it up to kind of conceal the lace, even though the lace already is, yeah, this is pretty impressive. And if you are a beginner and you don't feel comfortable cutting it on your head, you know, get you a mannequin head that's your head size. I have this one from the Jex brand in 23 inches because that's the size of my head. I wouldn't recommend this wig stand I have. I've had it for a long time and it sucks. It sucks. Oh my god. Like when I'm trying to curl a wig on it, it just flops over. So I'm in the market for a new one. I need a new one. I probably do need a wig head that's probably more lightweight, and that's why my wig stand is doing all that. Wow, wow, wow. I'm really gonna try not to put anything on it, like at all. No anything. And I'm gonna separate these curls, start doing that, because they do need to be fluffed out. Let's see what this is like. Ooh, it smells amazing. Probably don't really need it today, probably at the top of the wig, but just gonna separate all these curls. Child, it's gonna take a while to separate all these curls, so I'm probably gonna do it off camera and then come back. Okay, so I separated the curls out and I did it with that curl foam mousse here. It is kind of sticky on the hands though. Yeah, I don't know about this foam. It's really sticky. So I might go back to my Shea Moisture, because this is sticky right here. Yeah, this foam makes, you know, the curls feel hard. It still looks pretty, but I wouldn't go with this. This is taken away from it. The softness of it, what it naturally has. And this is a 13x6, so you can wear this to the left side or to the right side. Okay, let's put a little bit of powder into the parting space. And I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in 332, which is golden caramel. And I'm using an angled brush.
I've been thinking about your smile. I've I've been thinking that I can't let you go. Hey, can you wait a little while? Why we're holding back, I don't know. I guess I'm all confused about you, about you. You're my one temptation, yeah. I don't know why I pretend to, that I don't really care about you. Maybe I'm indifferent, maybe I'm not thinking straight. I know I shouldn't play these games. Oh, maybe.
All right, guys, so we are back. You have seen the application of this wig was very, very easy. Yes, I'm wearing it as a middle part because that's how it comes, and I didn't wash it. But of course, wash your wig. If you guys want me to revisit this with my Let's Revisit series on Instagram and TikTok, and sometimes I do it on my shorts, I can do that. I can wash it and see if we still get these beautiful like corkscrew kind of curls even after washing it, and I'll do a side part, so just let me know. But I think I'm gonna do that. So I have it in a natural color, and this is their real super thin HD lace that melts with all skin tones. And I'm very impressed with this lace, y'all. Like, I have nothing. I have some of my face powder in the part because I have on a black wig cap, and you could see like a little line of demarcation, and I just wanted it to match a little bit better. Like, you can kind of still see my cap right there, so let me put a little bit more in there. Yeah, so this lace looks really good outside. Of course, I did a sunlight test for you guys, and I'm very impressed with the lace. Like, I did not have to do like hardcore tinting with this lace because it already looks really good. I just put a dab of my excess contour on there. I didn't want it to be too dark when I went outside, and it looks really good in low lighting and then direct sunlight. So very impressed with the lace. Nothing at all is glued down, okay? Nothing at all. And this was super easy and stress-free. The only thing that took a while was just separating the curls. And you can just wear the curls how they come, but I would recommend separating them. But you certainly can wear them fresh out the pack. And the knots are bleached, and the hairline is already tweezed. Now, I did like kind of do a little bit of light tweezing just because even though it was pre-tweezed, the hairline was still kind of straight across. So I just kind of broke that up, and I think this looks very, very pretty with minimal effort. So that is really nice. I do have a coupon code for you guys, so look in the description box if you want to save some coins. Buying human hair wigs, especially like more expensive wigs, the best time to do that is in November specifically, because a lot of companies have a lot of really good sales in November. If you want to save some coins, this is the time to do so. Even though I didn't wash this, I had to fluff it out and separate it a lot. So I did get some shedding with this wig, which is to be expected with curly wigs or kinky curly wigs. Yeah, but this is really pretty. Now, about this curl foam that I use today, I usually use the Shea Moisture Curl Mousse. If you already have the Shea Moisture Curl Mousse, stick with that because this is so sticky. I had to wash my hands, so I don't really like this. I don't really like this. This is not very lightweight. It's very sticky. Has a lot of sticky residue on there. So the next time that I wash this wig and like, you know, define the curls, I'm going to use my Shea Moisture Curl Mousse instead because wasn't really a fan of this, but I wanted to try something new. But yeah, overall, I'm very impressed with this wig and its quality. If you're interested in a very beginner-friendly wig from IDN, I Define Natural, then you can pick it up over there. I'll have all the links and the specs and everything in the description box. Shout out to I Define Natural for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to give this a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Follow me on all of my other social media platforms. I Fancy Cupcakes on TikTok and Instagram. And follow my Facebook page at The Hearts and Cake 90. I didn't know it was like quite a few of you guys over there. And I'm going to try to start to be active on that page. So follow me on Facebook if you don't already. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.